What if I told you that alarm clock? The one that's been ruining your mornings for years, you might never need it again. Right now, while you're grinding through another soul-crushing week, there are regular people just like you who fired their bosses, deleted their commute, and are making more money than they ever did in their 9-to-5, and they're doing it all with AI. It is not a rich quick scheme. It is a career revolution happening right now. Join the train now or watch it leave the station without you. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact roadmap step by step to replace your income using AI. And I'm going to show you people who've already done it. So if you're tired of trading your time for money, tired of asking permission to take a vacation, tired of making someone else rich, this video might just change your life.
Welcome to AI Minutes. I am Aiden, guiding you through the world of AI. Let's dive in.
Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why is this the moment to make your move? Number 1. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Runway aren't experimental anymore. They're powerful, and they're accessible to everyone. Number 2. The barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a degree or know how to code or even have a huge budget. Some of the most successful AI entrepreneurs started with free tools and a laptop. And number 3. Most people are still sleeping on AI, the smart ones. They're building empires while others watch Netflix. The door is open right now, but it won't stay open forever. Okay, here's where most people mess up. They think replacing their 9-to-5 with AI means finding one magic tool that prints money. Think of AI as a multiplier, not a replacement for you. Here's the formula. Your skills plus AI tools equals 10x productivity equals more income in less time. You're not being replaced by AI. You're using AI to become irreplaceable. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer making $50,000 a year, working 60-hour weeks, barely keeping up with client demands. Then she discovered Midjourney and ChatGPT. Now, she creates custom brand identities in few hours. She charges premium prices and makes $150,000 a year. Alright, here's the roadmap. 5 proven ways to replace your 9-to-5 income with AI. Path 1. A content creation agency. Businesses needs content. Social media posts, blog articles, email campaigns. The demand is endless. Here's how. Step 1. Pick your niche. Don't try to serve everyone. Maybe you focus on real estate agents, or fitness coaches, or e-commerce brands. Narrow is powerful. Step 2. Master 2 to 3 AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney or DALL-E for images, maybe CapCut or Descript for video editing. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Use AI to make 5 to 10 killer examples, show what you can do. Step 4. Reach out to 10 potential clients per day. DM, email, LinkedIn. Step 5. Charge per package. $500 to $1,000 per month for social media management. $300 to $800 per blog post series. You only need 3 to 5 clients to replace most people's income. The beauty is that AI does 80% of the heavy lifting. You're just the director. Path 2. AI-powered digital products. This is my personal favorite because it scales like crazy. Create once, sell forever. Here's what you do. Step 1. Identify a problem people will pay to solve. Step 2. Use AI tools to write entire books and create design templates. Step 3. Set up shop on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Costs basically nothing to start. Step 4. Create free content that drives traffic on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Step 5. Automate everything. Once it's set up, you're making money while you sleep. I know someone who created an AI-generated ChatGPT prompts for Marketers Pack. Took them 3 hours to make. They've sold over $40,000 worth for just 3 hours. Path 3. AI consulting and implementation. Businesses are desperate to implement AI, but they have no idea how. That's where you come in. Step 1. Get proficient with AI tools relevant to business operations. ChatGPT for workflows, Zapier for automation, AI analytics tools. Step 2. Identify industries that are behind on AI adoption. Accounting firms, law offices, medical practices, real estate agencies. Step 3. Offer a free AI audit. Let me show you how AI can save you 10 hours a week. Get in the door for free. Step 4. Create custom AI solutions. Automated customer service, data analysis, document processing. Step 5. Charge retainer fees, $2,000 $5,000 per month to manage their AI systems. Path 4. I enhance freelancing. Already have a skill. Writing, design, video editing, coding. AI makes you 10x faster, which means you can charge more and work less. Step 1. Identify which AI tools enhance your specific skill. Writers use ChatGPT and Jasper. Designers use Midjourney and so many others. Step 2. Reposition yourself as an AI-enhanced expert. Don't hide with AI, lead with it. Step 3. Raise your rates by 50 to 100%. You're faster and better than competitors. Step 4. Take on more clients or work fewer hours. Path 5. AI content creator. This is the path that can scale to 7 figures. Use AI to create content faster. Step 1. Pick your platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Step 2. Use AI to plan content. ChatGPT can generate 100 video ideas in seconds. It can write scripts. It can optimize thumbnails. Step 3. Use AI to speed up production. AI voiceovers, AI video editing, AI thumbnail creation. What used to take 8 hours now takes 2. Step 4. Monetize multiple ways. Add revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. Step 5. Consistency. Post 3 to 5 times per week. AI makes this possible. Now, before you run off and start, let me save you from the mistakes. Mistake number 1. Trying to do everything at once. Pick one path, master it, then expand. Mistake number 2. Hiding that you use AI. Be transparent. People respect efficiency and honesty. Mistake number 3. Thinking AI does all the work. It doesn't. AI is a tool. You are the craftsman. Mistake number 4. Giving up too soon. Give yourself 90 days of consistent effort. And the biggest mistake, not starting at all. This might seem overwhelming. You might be thinking this sounds great, but can I really do this? Here's what I know. A year from now, you'll wish you started today. 6 months ago, I was exactly where you are. Watching videos like this, wondering if it was real. Then I decided to bet on myself. And it changed everything. The future belongs to people who adapt. AI is getting more powerful, more accessible, more essential. Do this right now. First, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Second, drop a comment which path you're most excited about. Path 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Third, hit that like button if this video added value.